To add patrons to your YouTube channel, head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side, and then click on YouTube Studio. Click on Customization from the left-hand side panel. Under this Profile section, scroll down until you reach the Links section, right over here. At the bottom, click on Add Link. Under Link Title, enter Patreon, and then paste the link to your Patreon membership in the space provided. To find that link, head over to Patreon, log into your account, and under Memberships, click on your membership. Copy the URL, and then back on YouTube, paste the URL in the space provided. To successfully add your patron to your YouTube channel, click on Publish on the top right-hand side. Now, if we head over to your YouTube channel, you'll be able to see over here in this link section the link to your Patreon. All you have to do is click on it to be redirected to that Patreon page. For even more Patreon tips and tricks, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.